Hi, how are you? And today in this video, I'm going to tell you about string operator in JavaScript. So here on my screen, you can see that the first one is I have is the concatenation operator, right? So with this, we can add two or more string using the plus operator, right? So in line number 6, you can see that I have initialized one variable with the type as var and the name as str1, and in that I have initialized one string, right? So how you can initialize an string? So you need to first open this inverted right comma, and then you'll need to mention your text, and then you have to close this inverted comma, right? So in this way you can initialize your string, and similarly in the same fashion I have initialized the string 2 as str2, and in the result I have added these two strings, right? And then at line number 4, the result will be printed over here, right? So now if you can open your terminal, and if you will run this file, the file name is string.js, right? And before the file name you need to write node, and then you need to hit enter, and once you will hit enter, you will get the output whatever is there in the console that will going to print in this terminal, right? So here you can see that at the first console.result, so it will print hello world with the help of this concatenation operator. The next one is the string length property, right? The dot length property returns the number of characters in a string, right? So here you can see that at line number 13, the text variable contains the string as hello world, right? So how many characters are there? So let's count it out. H starting at T, let's say it is 1, then E 2, L 3, L 4, O 5, then this comma 6, the space is also calculated, so that will be 7, W will be 8, O 9, R 10, L 11, D 12, and then this exclamation mark, that is the 13. So here you can see that hopefully we are expecting that the output will be 13, right? So how we can print this? So we'll first initialize one variable. So we have initialized the variable as length, and then the variable in which this text is there. So this is in this text, the text, and then after that we'll just write dot length, right? And then if I'll print this length variable in the console.log, so you will get that output, and in the terminal you can see that it is giving 13, right? So in this way you can calculate the length of the string. And the next one is the string comparison operator. So let's say suppose you have two strings and you have to compare the two strings, right? So how you can do it? So at line number 21 you can see that in str1 and str2 there are two strings, right? And in this way, with the help of this triple equal to operator, you can check for the comparison of the two strings, right? So here in this case you can see that in the first string it is apple, and the second string it is orange, right? So here you can see that apple and orange both should not be equal, right? And we have also printed this in line number 22, and here you can see that it is giving the false, right? Now the next thing is the string methods, right? So basically JavaScript provides a wide range of methods to manipulate strings, right? Some of them are like split or separator. Basically it is used to split the string into an array of substring based on the separations, right? So let's say at line number 26, the string is, this is a sample sentence, and it is stored in a variable name known as sentence, right? And in at line number 27 we are basically splitting this string, right? So we'll write sentence and then dot split, right? And then we're going to open the brackets and two inverted commas will be there, right? So in this way you will get a sort of an array, right, which will contain these substrings, right? And then at line number 28 you can see that I have printed this, and that's why it is showing in the terminal like this, right? This is a sample sentence. So in this way you can split the string into an array of substrings based on the separations. Okay, now the last thing is the string template literals, right? Template literals allow you to embed expressions and variable within a string using backticks, right? Now let's say suppose at line number 32 I have an string, right, Alice, and it is stored in the variable name. Now at line number 33 there is a one more variable called greeting, and the type is also same as var. And here these are basically your backticks, right? These are your backticks, this one and this one, right? And within this backtick you have mentioned one text, right? And you have used the dollar sign, and then you have mentioned this variable name, right? So this will going to, it will take this text, right? When you will print this at, like here also you can see that at line number 24 we have printed this variable, and once you will print it you will get this hello, and before and after this dollar sign whatever variable you are using, that will print this string, right? So with the help of this dollar sign and this curly braces, whatever will your variable name, whatever variable name will be there in this in this curly braces, so you will get that string text, right? So here in this case we'll get hello Alice. So here you can see that in the terminal I'm getting the hello Alice. I hope guys you have liked this video, and if in case if you have any comments, right, and if you haven't understood anything, you are most welcome to ask the same in the comment section. And guys, there is one more thing. If you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed it till yet, so I request you to kindly please update it so that you can get the latest update from this channel, and you can also watch more videos like this. So thank you for now, and I hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.